Number 1. 1976 Harley-Davidson Electroglide, $6,500, Aliceville, Alabama. This 1976 Harley-Davidson Electroglide represents the classic American touring motorcycle experience of the 1970s, combining long-distance comfort with the unmistakable sound and feel of a vintage Harley V-twin. Known for their large touring presence and highway cruising ability, Electroglide models became iconic among riders who appreciated traditional American motorcycles built for the open road. This example reportedly remains a strong runner and rider with clean title status. According to the seller, the motorcycle has been garage kept and remains road legal despite being nearly 50 years old. The bike appears to retain much of its classic touring character while offering the type of old-school Harley styling collectors continue to appreciate today. For buyers searching for a vintage Harley touring machine with authentic presence and proven road manners, this Electroglide offers timeless appeal. Number 2. 1971 Moto Guzzi Ambassador, $6,300, New Braunfels, Texas. The 1971 Moto Guzzi Ambassador is a classic Italian sport touring motorcycle, celebrated for its durable V-twin engine, comfortable riding position, and unmistakable European styling. Moto Guzzi models from this era developed a loyal following thanks to their smooth highway performance and distinctive mechanical character. This example has reportedly received significant mechanical attention over the years, while remaining a strong-running and rideable vintage machine. According to the seller, the motorcycle was gone through around 6,000 miles ago and received newer paint, a powder-coated frame, updated pistons, valves, and bronze valve guides. The bike also features Dunstall mufflers that add to its vintage personality while maintaining its classic touring nature. For riders looking for a well-sorted Italian classic with strong road presence and old-world charm, this Ambassador stands out as a very appealing example. Number 3. 1963 BSA Super Rocket A10, $2,800, Ringwood, Illinois. This 1963 BSA Super Rocket A10 is a classic British 650 twin that captures the performance-oriented spirit of early 1960s motorcycles. The Super Rocket models became popular for their smooth power delivery, lightweight feel, and sporty styling that helped BSA compete during the golden era of British motorcycling. This example reportedly remains complete and correct while also benefiting from extensive recent service work. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs and rides great after receiving carburetor servicing, magneto resealing, timing adjustment, tune-up work, and new tires. The bike also retains important original components, including the AML carburetor and Ewart's fuel tap, while including original paperwork and leather saddlebags. For enthusiasts searching for an affordable vintage British motorcycle with strong originality and road-ready condition, this Super Rocket offers excellent classic value. Number 4. 1973 BMW R75/5, $5,000, East Limestone, Alabama. The 1973 BMW R75/5 is one of the most respected vintage BMW motorcycles, especially recognizable for its iconic toaster tank design and smooth air-cooled boxer twin engine. BMW motorcycles from the /5 series became known for exceptional reliability, refined road manners, and timeless styling that still attracts collectors decades later. This long wheelbase example reportedly shows just over 3,900 miles and appears to have been carefully maintained. According to the seller, the bike recently received new tires, a tune-up, carburetor service, and fresh fork oil, while everything is said to function properly. The rebuilt speedometer and tachometer assembly also add to the bike's overall presentation and originality. For buyers searching for a classic German motorcycle with vintage character and dependable performance, this R75/5 remains one of the standout touring classics of the 1970s. Number 5. 1980 Suzuki GS850G, $3,000, Roanoke, Virginia.
This 1980 Suzuki GS850G is a classic Japanese touring motorcycle, powered by Suzuki's respected inline-4 engine platform that became famous for durability and smooth highway performance. The GS series earned a strong reputation during the late 1970s and early 1980s for offering dependable long-distance riding, along with comfortable ergonomics and strong mechanical reliability. This example reportedly came from the original owner before receiving extensive servicing in recent years. According to the seller, much of the motorcycle has been gone through, including carburetor work performed by DRD Machine, with records and photos included documenting the process. While the bike shows some cosmetic aging consistent with its age, it is still described as being in impressive overall condition for a 46-year-old motorcycle. For riders looking for a practical and affordable vintage Japanese touring mansion, this GS850G offers strong value and classic 1980s styling.
Number 6. 1970 Norton Commando, $7,900, Albuquerque, New Mexico. The 1970 Norton Commando remains one of the most respected British motorcycles ever produced, famous for its strong parallel twin engine, lightweight feel, and unmistakable vintage styling. This example appears to have been carefully upgraded over the years, while still preserving the classic character that made the Commando legendary among enthusiasts. Showing around 14,400 miles, the motorcycle is described as a strong runner that has clearly been ridden and enjoyed. According to the seller, the bike features several thoughtful improvements, including a Boyer ignition, Mikuni carburetor conversion, upgraded rims with Avon tires, steel-braided oil lines, and a Corbin seat, while also including many of the original components. Additional updates such as the crankcase breather system and oil drain conversion improve usability without taking away from its vintage appeal. For riders searching for a well-sorted British classic with authentic Norton personality, this Commando offers both timeless style and proven road manners. Number 7. 1974 Kawasaki Z1 900, $7,250, Scottsdale, Arizona. The 1974 Kawasaki Z1 900 is widely considered one of the original superbikes and remains one of the most influential Japanese performance motorcycles of the 1970s. Powered by a powerful inline-4 engine and known for its impressive speed during its era, the Z1 helped establish Kawasaki's reputation for high-performance street motorcycles. This particular example combines classic Z1 styling with several upgraded components from later Kawasaki models. According to the seller, the bike features triple-disc brakes, upgraded wheels, instrumentation, a chrome 4-into-1 exhaust system, and a later Z1 engine setup that delivers strong performance. The motorcycle is also described as smooth, clean, and fully turnkey, with a clean Arizona title. For buyers searching for a vintage Japanese superbike with serious road presence and upgraded rideability, this Z1 offers an exciting blend of classic style and modernized performance. Number 8. 1977 Triumph 750 Bonneville, $4,800, Sacramento, California. This 1977 Triumph 750 Bonneville is a classic British twin that carries the timeless styling and vintage personality that made the Bonneville name famous around the world. With just over 8,000 miles showing, this example appears to have benefited from extensive recent servicing while still retaining its traditional character. Triumph Bonnevilles from the 1970s continue to attract enthusiasts thanks to their lightweight feel, strong twin-cylinder performance, and unmistakable British charm. According to the seller, the motorcycle recently received major service work, including rebuilt carburetors, rebuilt forks, new tires, battery, cables, and hoses, along with repairs to an oil leak. The bike also includes manuals, specialty books, extra parts, and tools connected to its ownership history. For riders looking for a road-ready vintage Triumph with strong sentimental value and classic styling, this Bonneville presents a very appealing opportunity. Number 9. 1985 Honda Rebel 250 CMX 250, $2,100, Glendale Heights, Illinois.
The 1985 Honda Rebel 250 CMX 250 marked the first year of one of Honda's most successful lightweight cruiser motorcycles. Known for its approachable size, smooth twin-cylinder engine, and excellent fuel economy, the Rebel became extremely popular with beginner riders and commuters alike. This low-mileage example shows only around 2,643 miles and appears to remain in very clean condition overall. According to the seller, the motorcycle recently received new spark plugs, a cleaned carburetor, and a new air filter while continuing to start easily and run smoothly. Aside from a headlight bulb needing replacement, all electrical systems are said to function properly. For buyers searching for an affordable vintage cruiser with dependable Honda engineering and beginner-friendly character, this early Rebel remains a very practical and collectible option.
Number 10. 1976 Moto Guzzi 850 Le Mans, $8,500, Twin Falls, Idaho. The 1976 Moto Guzzi 850 Le Mans is one of the most iconic Italian sport motorcycles of the 1970s, respected for its aggressive styling, powerful V-twin engine, and long-distance performance capability. This example has reportedly been owned for more than 3 decades and carefully upgraded over time while maintaining its classic Le Mans appearance. Vintage Moto Guzzi performance models like this continue to be highly sought after by collectors and riders who appreciate distinctive European engineering. According to the seller, the motorcycle features numerous tasteful upgrades, including a big-bore engine setup, stain-tune exhausts, upgraded Brembo brakes, improved charging system, Dyna ignition, and Tarozzi rear sets. The bike reportedly starts and runs great, although the rear brake linkage currently needs attention. For enthusiasts searching for a highly personalized vintage Italian sport bike with serious character and performance history, this 850 Le Mans stands out as a very special machine.
Number 11. 1987 Suzuki Intruder VS 1400, $2,500, Springtown, Texas. The 1987 Suzuki Intruder VS 1400 helped redefine Japanese cruiser motorcycles during the 1980s with its stretched styling, strong V-twin engine, and comfortable highway performance. Known for blending classic cruiser looks with dependable Japanese engineering, the Intruder series quickly became popular among riders looking for a powerful and affordable alternative to larger American touring bikes. This example reportedly remains in very good running condition after extensive mechanical restoration work. According to the seller, the motorcycle received numerous updates, including new tires, battery, fuel pump, fuel lines, brakes, and fork seals after sitting unused for several years. The bike is described as starting easily, riding well, and remaining currently registered and road-ready. For riders searching for a dependable vintage cruiser with strong road presence and proven reliability, this Intruder offers solid value and classic 1980s styling.
Number 12. 1982 BMW R65 LS, $5,000, Cicero, Illinois. The 1982 BMW R65 LS is a sporty variation of BMW's respected air-cooled Boxer twin platform, combining lightweight handling with the smooth performance that made BMW motorcycles famous worldwide. Designed with a more athletic appearance than standard touring-focused BMW models, the R65 LS became appreciated for its balanced road manners and unique styling touches. This example reportedly remains in good running condition while also benefiting from several practical upgrades. According to the seller, the motorcycle includes upgraded ignition, coil, and suspension components, while also coming with the original toolkit, owner's manual, and spare exhaust system. Although the odometer is no longer accurate, the estimated mileage is around 25,000 miles overall. For buyers looking for a vintage German motorcycle with sporty character and dependable engineering, this R65 LS offers timeless BMW appeal.
Number 13. 1971 Yamaha Enduro HT1, $3,295, Malacca, Minnesota. The 1971 Yamaha Enduro HT1 is a lightweight, dual-purpose motorcycle that reflects the growing popularity of small-displacement trail bikes during the early 1970s. Yamaha Enduro models became known for their simplicity, durability, and ability to handle both city streets and light off-road riding with ease. This rare 90cc example has reportedly undergone a full restoration while still preserving its classic vintage trail bike charm. According to the seller, the motorcycle received professional paintwork, a complete engine rebuild, new tires, chains, sprockets, and battery, while all electrical systems are said to function properly. The bike also reportedly starts on the first kick and includes a clean Minnesota title. For collectors or riders searching for a fully restored small-displacement Japanese classic, this HT1 offers strong nostalgic appeal and excellent presentation.
Number 14. 1971 Norton 750 Commando, $9,500, Dana Point, California. The 1971 Norton 750 Commando remains one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever built, famous for its strong twin-cylinder engine, aggressive styling, and unmistakable road presence. This example features a metal interstate tank, along with custom paint and several period-style upgrades that enhance both performance and visual appeal. Norton Commandos became legendary for delivering exciting riding dynamics while maintaining classic British motorcycle character. According to the seller, the motorcycle recently received rebuilt carburetors, a new Barnett clutch, upgraded front disc brake, and rare vintage power roll exhaust headers. Adjustable handlebars also allow the bike to shift between a more traditional riding position and a cafe racer-inspired setup. For enthusiasts searching for a customized vintage Norton with authentic British personality and collectible upgrades, this Commando offers a very distinctive package.
Number 15. 1981 Kawasaki KZ440 LTD, $575, Williamsburg, Virginia. The 1981 Kawasaki KZ440 LTD is a lightweight vintage cruiser powered by a dependable twin-cylinder engine and styled with the compact custom appearance that became popular during the early 1980s. Models like the KZ440 earned a reputation for being approachable, fuel-efficient, and easy to maintain, making them popular among both beginner riders and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. This matte black example reportedly remained garage-stored for several years after developing an engine issue. According to the seller, the motorcycle was never dropped and still retains many useful extras, including manuals, spare parts, original handlebars, saddlebags, and a cover. While the engine currently needs repair and the exact problem is unknown, the bike appears largely complete overall. For buyers looking for an inexpensive vintage Japanese motorcycle project with strong restoration potential, this KZ440 LTD offers an affordable starting point.